Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that brings comfort and versatility to both professionals and home users alike, the CLORIS 84-inch luxury massage table. Whether you're a massage therapist or just someone looking to elevate your home wellness routine, this portable adjustable bed promises to offer a premium experience. Let's explore whether it truly delivers. First off, the CLORIS Massage Table boasts a sleek, practical design built to last. The table is made from imported beech wood, offering a sturdy frame that's designed to hold up to 1,500 pounds. Yes, you heard that right, 1,500 pounds. It's clearly engineered with durability in mind, making it suitable for a wide range of users and ensuring that it's stable throughout your session. The non-slip feet add an extra layer of protection, keeping everything firmly in place and protecting your floor surfaces. If you've ever used a table that wobbled mid-treatment, you'll appreciate how solid this one feels. The real standout feature here, though, is the cushioning. The table comes equipped with 4.33 inches of high-density foam in a 3-layer configuration. You get 0.79 inches of premium memory foam, followed by 2.36 inches of scientifically designed sponge and 1.18 inches of regular foam. This combination promises to deliver ultimate comfort, offering just the right balance of firmness and softness. The PU leather covering adds a luxurious touch, and importantly, it's soft, durable, and easy to clean. Plus, there's no offensive smell, which is a common issue with synthetic materials. So no worries about strong chemical odors lingering in your wellness space. One of the things that sets this table apart is its height adjustability. With a multi-row hole positioning system, it offers quick and easy adjustments between 25.78 and 36.02 inches in height. This flexibility is perfect for accommodating various body types and ensuring ergonomic comfort for both the user and the therapist. Whether you're working on a facial massage or giving a deep tissue session, you can easily tailor the height to suit your needs. The portability of the CLORIS Massage Table also deserves a mention. It folds neatly for easy storage, and all accessories fit inside the unit itself. This makes it super convenient for anyone who needs to transport the table between locations. Plus, it comes with a carry bag, so you can take it to your salon, gym, health club, or even use it in the comfort of your home. Whether you're a professional or just someone looking to upgrade your personal wellness setup, this table fits the bill. Now, let's talk about value for money. At first glance, this table may seem like a bigger investment than some other options on the market. But when you consider the quality of materials, the 1,500 pounds weight capacity, and the ultimate comfort that comes with the high-density foam padding, it's easy to see why it's priced as it is. For professionals especially, it provides durability and stability over the long term, meaning you're likely to get many years of use out of it. If you're a home user who needs portability and ease of use without sacrificing comfort, it could be a solid choice too. For those looking for similar alternatives at a lower price, it's worth noting that there are some decent massage tables available with comparable features, but they may not offer the same level of weight capacity or foam quality. If you're seeking a more budget-friendly option, you might find other portable massage tables, but they may lack the durability or comfort that the CLORIS offers. It's one of those cases where you get what you pay for. So if you want something built to last and provide the ultimate comfort, this table could be the right fit. In terms of build quality, the CLORIS table is top-notch. The beechwood construction feels sturdy and durable, and I really appreciate the stability it offers during use. There's no shaking or wobbling, which is often a concern with lighter, cheaper models. The foam padding doesn't lose its shape over time either, which is key when you want long-term value out of your investment. As for customer support, CLORIS offers a 2-year warranty from the date of purchase, which provides peace of mind should anything go wrong. They seem to be a brand that values customer satisfaction, offering support if issues arise. To wrap things up, the CLORIS Luxury Massage Table is a solid investment for both professionals and home users who are looking for a durable, comfortable, and versatile option. The 1,500 pounds weight capacity and high-quality construction make it a standout in its class. If you're someone who needs a portable solution without sacrificing comfort, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.